This latest Jollibee TVC has also been special for me kasi mga music video ang treatment. As a singer, nakakatuwa rin na magamit ang talent ko sa isang commercial. Pati na rin sina Laika at Darren na talagang love na love ang pagkanta. Of course, the set became more lively because of the jingle's upbeat and catchy tune.
Meron kami mga shinuto also with Sarah and the two other kids interacting with a lot of talents. This is the major setup kasi andun yung wide shot, andun yung mga majority of the audience, tapos andun lahat ng cast of characters.
We're not doing the usual storytelling here. We have Sarah and the kids dancing. So the material we're coming up with communicates how Sarah and the kids get to taste the joy, live the joy, and share the joy that Jollibee brings in their lives.
Malaki siyang kampanya, especially now that it's launching towards the Christmas season. Tapos, ang dami-dami pang cast, ang dami-dami, para musical, para siyang Glee. So, it's a big campaign and we're very, very excited to show you this.
Gusto namin na with this music video, habang kinakanta mo siya, mapapasayaw ka, mapapangiti ka. Kasi pag marinig nyo, upbeat naman siya, di ba? Tapos madali siyang tandaan, catchy siya. So, yun na yung pinaka-main objective namin na this Christmas, or even after Christmas, talagang paulit-ulit, maaalala nyo yung Jollibee and Chicken Joy through the song.
Nakikita mo naman, may relationship sila, and they have that, Sarah has that expertise that she gives and imparts on the kids, and then they're able to also hone their talents and share it with others.
Incoming take. Energy everyone. Ready? Bawal ang pangit. Wala na kasi makot.
Proud ako para sa mga bata. At saka, very much deserving silang dalawa eh. Individually, blessed talaga lahat eh. Laika and Darren.
Since masaya kami and this Sarah is very enjoyable to work with, napapagaan niya yung shooting. So, bukod sa magaang, magagaling sila, especially si Sarah, kaya gumaganda yung TV commercial. Yung 2-day shoot namin for Jollibee turned out pretty well, no? And we're very excited kasi I think this is the first time that we will see Sarah together with the two kids from The Voice.
Sarah is a professional. She's great to work with. She registers beautifully on camera. She has a wonderful voice. So she's a pleasure to work with all the time. And she's perfect for the brand. We're able to maximize what, you know, the resources we have and the characters that we have. We're able to do everything that we need to do.
I will always be grateful po sa inyo sa pagtupad ng pangarap ko na maging endorser ng Jollibee. At thank you. Maraming salamat lang po at lagi niyong ginagawang masaya ang career ko and of course ang Pasko ko. At mas masaya pa ngayon dahil kasama ko yung dalawang kids natin from The Voice of the Philippines mula po sa Team Sarah. Mas gawin po natin mas jolly ang Pasko natin with our loved ones. Siyempre, pagsalusaluhan po natin ang goodness, ang sarap, ang pagka-juicy, pagka-crispy ng Jollibee Chicken Joy.
Very good. Palakpakan natin yung
Okay, tapos na po kami sa shoot. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Thank you, Darren, Laika. Bye-bye!
The holiday season is a very special time, kaya naman, dapat lahat tayo ay magdiwang at mag-enjoy kasama ang ating pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay. Of course, let's not forget the real meaning of Christmas, and let's keep on sharing our blessings with those who are less fortunate. Here's to wishing everyone a happy and meaningful holiday season. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry. Much love, Sarah.
Hello, si Sarah Heronimo po ito. Bibati ko po kayo ng maligayang Pasko.
Ano ba talaga? Ayun o, nakalagay. Jolly Joy, Jolly Jolly.
Hi, Darren! Laika!
Hi, Sarah! Oh, kamustang practice? Medyo hirap po.
To sing from the heart, you need real joy.
Ah! Parang Chicken Joy!
Ilabas ang saya sa iyong pagkanta. Tunay na ligaya sa iyong pag-umpisa. Come on and taste the joy. Live the joy, joy. Share the joy, jolly, jolly joy. Tamang kumikus sa bawat lagat. Nagong jumajuice sa bawat lasak. Nagong sumasarap na long sumasaya. Pasarap ng pasarap ng pasarap ng pasarap sa Jollibee na. Jolly, 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 joy, joy. Jolly, jolly,